Today we are going to make Bangadyache Ambat-Tikhat, which is a very popular dish of Goa. The ingredients required for this are 4 to 5 mackerels which are cut into 2 pieces each, grated coconut 1 cup, 2 chopped onions, 1 inch of ginger, chopped 2 green chilies, tamarind pulp, salt, haldi powder, chili powder and 4 to 5 kokum. Now let's marinate the bangda pieces with salt, haldi powder, and little chili powder. Give it a mix. And keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now we'll make a fine paste of all these ingredients in a mixer. Now the fine paste is ready. Heat oil in a pan. Then add the ground mixture to it. Add 1 teaspoon of haldi powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, add 1 teaspoon of salt, and add 4 to 5 kokum to it. Now add 1 cup of water to it. Give it a mix. Cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Let's remove the lid. We can see that our mixture has boiled nicely. Now we'll add all the bangda pieces one by one to the mixture. Let's cover the mixture with the lid and keep it for 5 more minutes. Our Bangdyache Ambot-Tikhat is completely done. Serve the Bangdyache Ambot-Tikhat with rice.